Yo, what up, YouTube? Your boy again. Let's checking in right quick. Got a quick little update for y'all today, man. How to install C7 rear brakes on a G-body. This worked for C7 Brembros 2010, 2012, 13 SS Camaro Brembros. A few other brakes too, but we're just gonna talk about them two. If you're doing a Camaro setup like 2000 Camaro, same concept but just different bracket. But so I'm not even confuse y'all. We're gonna just talk about Brembro 2010 SS Camaro, 2014 vette calipers. First, what you're gonna do, you wanna cut it down. Butt head, cut this one a little high. I usually give me a straight edge or a paint stick or something, and I cut it right below the circle. I cut it right below the circle and give you a perfect square. 2 holes at the bottom. Just drill them out to 3/8. Put your plate on there, and just use your plate as a guide, or you can get your paint marker or something and make your circle. And you drill it out 3/8 hole. I like the step bit. I usually tap the hole first with the step bit. He used the step bit on this too, because I can see it. You look close, you can see it stepping. One part a little down, one part up. That's the step bit. The step bit work faster than me. A lot of guys go through multiple bits. I be seeing them on Facebook crying about they use 4, 5, 10 bits. Get your small bit, like a 1/4 inch bit or something. Use a step bit. The step bit will eat it up right quick. Spray a little WD-40 as you're drilling, or put your little grease on it to kind of keep it cool. You won't have no problem. Get in there, told you that. But that's what you get after you cut it down. Come over here to the bracket. Bolt the bracket up there, so see what I mean? He a little high, but it's okay, not gonna hurt nothing. But see, if he'd cut it right with that circle, he'd have been right below this bracket. But that little excess material ain't gonna hurt nobody. So hey, we're gonna roll with it like that. 4 bolts on the bracket. Pull it nice out. 4 bolts on the bracket. I just put 2, just for demonstration purposes. 3/8 bolts. Tighten them up. Slide your axle back in. Hold on, you two. Slide the rotor back on. This is a 13-inch rotor. It's supposed to be a 13.3 to work with these calibers, but I was just doing a mock-up, and it like the 13 work. I mean, it's only 3 millimeters difference. I mean, what? I mean, we're talking 16ths in inches, so 13-inch rotors is cheaper. You can get them about $40 versus the 13.3s, because they come on the Z51. They about $60 each, man. So it's up to you which one you want to do. Hold tight. Fade it back. Got the caliper on. I already showed you how the rotor. 2 bolts back here on the caliper. Bolt them up. That's it. Simple. There's nothing rocket scientist. Just like that. Ain't got no screws in the caliper. I mean the rotor. But excuse me. But yeah, as simple as that. C7 brakes on a G-body. C7 brakes on a 9/6 Impala. What else? Same thing as the Camaro Brembros. Just like that. YouTube. Brackets, various prices, different vehicles, various prices. This is a 1-piece bracket. 1-piece bracket for the C7s. It's a 2-piece bracket for the SS Camaro, but same concept. It's just a 2-piece bracket. Really, it's a 3-piece bracket, to be honest with you. I got this bracket for $150, and Brembro bracket like $220 for the SS Camaro. Hit me up, email me, get in there, .boys, Gmail. Hit me up on Instagram. Get in there _boy. I can be found all over the place, man. I ain't hiding from nobody. Over and out.